In this video, I will show you how to make money. Customers who are waiting for you to buy from you and help you make $1,000 to $5,000 per day. And all these can be done basically by spending 10 to 30 minutes per day while having fun watching interesting videos. I will show you what the customers are and what they are buying, how you can own what they are buying without spending money, and how they will buy from you without you even trying to sell. This will work for you if you have zero experience, zero technical knowledge, you have never sold anything online, zero website and zero hosting server. This will work for you even if you don't have a social following. And the proud moment for me is that my software Epic will take 99% of the workload on your behalf. Using artificial intelligence, get Epic free trial link from the link in the description. Here is just one of those people who have made $500,000 using the same system, and you can do it too. Anyone, including you, can start making money from today. All our content and softwares cost us money, but we bear the cost on your behalf. So please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and via emails. So the chance for the beginners or literally anyone to get fast results in free customer method, this method, is pretty much guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos and $5,000 from 1,000 visitors. For example, 2 of our offers generated over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors that came from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. When you use Epic, you won't have to use camera. You won't have to use your own voice and microphone. And you won't have to write any content or video script because Epic does everything on your behalf using artificial intelligence. Because Epic makes videos using free links, text, image, and videos. Epic writes video scripts using artificial intelligence, and Epic generates natural voiceover from text. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. They can use our videos as templates from inside their user dashboard, and they can make their own videos using them. You're getting Epic free to try from the link in the description. Now let's begin our journey to learn how these guys are making over $500,000 from free customer method and how you can start making the same money starting today. Look at this. These guys have made over $500,000 selling Photoshop presets. There are over 7,500 offers like that on Etsy, and everybody's making money selling Photoshop presets. There are 288 courses on Skillshare, and people are making money selling their courses. Over 60,000 people search on YouTube every single month. Over 8,000 presets being sold on Envato. So, Photoshop presets is a hot digital downloadable that you can sell, or literally anyone can sell and make money, but that's not all. We will show you more ways to make money using this. I know your problem. You must be saying you don't have time to learn this totally new stuff. You are not tech savvy and you don't know how to make money from Photoshop presets. You don't even know how to make videos using Epic. All these problems, I do understand. And we will solve all this problem one by one. Stay tuned. No worries, you won't need any of those. I will show you everything in this video. We will follow the big hitters, the big money makers. Do very little work and start making money from today. Okay, first of all, join Skillshare free from the link in the description. Just research on courses about the topic, learn what's hot, have fun, and put your learning into Epic, my software. Take screenshots, images, text, put them into Epic. Free link is in the description to Epic and make videos as you go using built-in artificial intelligence. In 30 minutes, you will learn a lot and make at least 3 1-minute long short videos. Spending 30 minutes per day in 7 days, you will have 21 valuable videos, which are also 21 modules of your first online course. That's a gigantic set of video content and a huge course ready to make money for you. Now, how do you make money from these videos? Step number 1, create a course on Skillshare. Start teaching. Start on Udemy as well. It's free to join in both platforms. Follow a popular course, change their words to your words, and publish your content that you have already made using Epic. From Skillshare, you will get paid based on watch time, and from Udemy, you will get paid from your sales. Now, I highly recommend on Udemy you start giving away for free in order to get some real ratings, reviews, and feedbacks from your students. Of course, make sure you ask for reviews and rating from your students at the very beginning of your course. Publish your videos, the same videos, on YouTube as shorts videos, 1 minute long shorts videos, and publish 3 to 4 videos per day. Right now, shorts is hot and YouTube is promoting it to make it popular. So YouTube will start sending free traffic, free viewers, free visitors to your short videos. More you publish videos, more traffic you will get from YouTube for free completely. Use the same videos and publish on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. Promote your free Skillshare course in your videos. Make an Etsy store and sell your presets using your videos. Put your links in the description and in first comment on YouTube videos and in the bio links of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Mention in text and in video where the links are and ask people to click the links to get more. That's all you need to make money. That's all we do to make $5 from every single visitor. Give away, give away, give away. Make people fall in love with you, with your content, with your generosity, and people will buy from you, even if you don't know how to sell or even try to sell. The beauty of this method is the more content you create using Epic, the more traffic you get from all the social media accounts like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. All this traffic will boost your ratings and rankings on your courses and your preset store on Etsy. When this happens, these websites will send you their traffic, 100% free and organic buyer traffic. Google love all these sites: Udemy, Skillshare, Etsy. Google will take notice and Google will send search engine traffic. In case you don't know, search engine traffic is the most targeted buyer traffic, and you will make money from selling your course and presets from zero investment and zero experience. It all depends on how much regularly you publish new content. Now let me show you a couple of YouTube shorts results on Photoshop preset. I just searched with Photoshop preset and look at the results. 1.9 million views and 2.4 thousand views. Can you see that? 1.9 million views, 2.4 thousand views. 19,000 views, 2,400 views. 948,000 and 22,000 views. 70,000 and 5.2 thousand views. And one video even got 1.5 million views. If you convert each view equals $5, you calculate how much money they can make and potentially you can make. It's already happening. Beginners are making money. We are making money. You can do it too. Okay, question again. Why? Why short videos? Why shorts? Because shorts is new. Shorts is hot. And shorts is a new feature on YouTube. And YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily. And it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using the amazing AI software like Epic. in just 3 minutes. You have Epic free to start, link is in the description to make videos. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly, because there is an audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click, so we don't need to record ourselves. Give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. All the softwares we have talked about are free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Or you can just browse epic.ai. Links are in the description. I hope this video was helpful, step-by-step, easy, user-friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life-changing. We run 20+ channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you, and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.